Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to show you how to take this cover off this Toro Power Clear 721R so that you can work on this snowblower with ease.
First, we are going to take out these 4 screws on the top of the cover with our cordless drill and a Phillips head bit. Now we are going to remove the 3 nuts, bolts, and washer out of the snow chute. We will use the Phillips head squat screwdriver and a multi-bit nut driver using a 1/2-inch bit. Now we will be removing the 3 screws that hold the snow chute ring on. We will be using a multi-bit nut driver with a 5/16 bit. Now all we have to do is remove the gas cap and the cover will come right off. Once you remove the snowblower cover, you will be able to see and hopefully be able to maintain and repair the majority of the engine simple maintenance task. Okay, let's reinstall the snowblower cover. First, we will need to remove the gas cap. Place the cover of the snowblower back on top of the snowblower and then put the gas cap back on. Next, we are going to install the snow chute. The first thing we will install are the rings for the snow chute. As you recall, the rings were attached with 3 screws. We will be using the multiple bit nut driver that we used to remove the screws. Next, we will install the snow chute and the chute handle by reinstalling the 3 bolts, washers, and nuts that we removed earlier. We will be using the multiple bit nut driver again and the Phillips head squat screwdriver. And finally, we will need to install the 4 screws that hold the cover in place.
Okay, everything's back together. Let's turn around and see if it works. Very good. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to comment. I sure do want to hear from you. Thanks for watching.